Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a CURLBOX unboxing for the month of April. And I'm going to show you guys all the products that I got in it. I'm actually going to be using them today. I did straighten my hair. It really only lasted about, what, maybe a week and a half. I don't even think it's been 2 weeks since I straightened it. I mean, I could have still left my hair like this, but my scalp is just too itchy. What I got in the CURLBOX is actually perfect for what I'm going through right now. If you're interested, keep watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that you know when I'm uploading my next video. So when I straightened my hair, I blow dried it and then I passed the iron through it. I tried to keep it to a minimum. I do need to go get a trim. My last cut was actually in August 2018. And I was gonna go in February, and look, it's already May. So I might be doing that soon. So I did miss my straight hair. Look at this. It's beautiful. Like, it's nice too. The reason I did this was just spur of the moment, and I wanted to length check my hair because now that my hair has gotten so healthy in its natural state, the shrinkage is real, which means my hair is getting healthier. So I'm happy about that, but I did want to length check my hair also. So my hair shrinks up to about, what, maybe here. The last time I straightened my hair was September 2018. That was for a wedding, and I didn't even like how it came out. So I was like, I'm never straightening my hair again. And look what I went and did. Another reason why I'm ready to go back to being my curly-headed self is that I feel like my hair is breaking a lot being straight. But just doing this and combing through my hair, I have a lot of breakage compared to when I just do like a wash day and I'm detangling my hair with a Denman brush or something. Your hair's manipulated more when it's straight. You're running your hands through it more. You're fixing it. You're putting it in a ponytail. But I am ready to go back to being my curly-headed self. I'm going to show you guys what I got in my CURLBOX for the month of April. I'll show you guys what I think I'm going to be using for this wash day. So I actually didn't open this box. It is May, and I'm just now opening it. So first off, you know I love my little cards that they send. And this is the inside of it. Cute. So this box was by Head & Shoulders, the Royal Oils collection for long-lasting scalp relief and luxuriously moistured hair. We got a head scarf that says "My Black is Beautiful." This is so cute. So I just opened it up. So this is how the box looked. There was one product that came outside of the box. So let's go through these. The Daily Moisture Scalp Cream. Moisturizes scalp and prevents dryness and itch. Need that. Alright, next in here, Deep Moisture Mask. Helps prevent recurrence of flaking and itching associated with dandruff. Moisture Boost Shampoo. And then I also have the Moisture Renewal Conditioner. Next is a moisturizing co-wash. And lastly, we have the Head & Shoulders Royal Oils Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir with cooling menthol and peppermint oil. Alright, so that's all I received in the April 2019 box. All Head & Shoulder products, shampoo, conditioner, co-wash, scalp cream, as well as a scalp elixir and a deep moisture mask. So that is a total of technically 5 products because the packet is only a one-time use and you get a headscarf. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the shampoo, the conditioner, and the deep moisture mask. Alright, so I'm out the shower now. I did get a little distracted, but that's okay. I did have a Diva towel over my head, the microfiber towel. I want to show you guys how my hair looks after being washed. I know in the beginning I said that I was going to use the shampoo, conditioner, and the deep conditioner packet, but I decided not to use the mask treatment. It would be smart to go ahead and deep condition my hair since it's been straightened, but from the look of my curls while I was in the shower, the elasticity of them, the shine, I was like, they didn't look like they needed extra moisture, so I don't want to go into moisture overload either. So I decided on my next wash day I'll go ahead and do a deep condition. It was easy to detangle my hair in the shower. Just want to quickly show you guys how my scalp looks. It looks pretty healthy, looks cleaned off. It's not itchy at all. It did really clear up my scalp.
Purchase your tracks today.
And it doesn't look as dry as it did before I washed my hair. So that's a good sign. The shampoo was amazing, honestly. The slip was there. There was a lot of moisture in the shampoo. I didn't feel like it was stripping my hair at all, especially after I rinsed it out. It didn't feel like that squeaky clean feel, which was great. And I was able to still run my fingers through my hair after shampooing, which is awesome. Usually sometimes when it strips too much, it gets really dry and you kind of get stuff like this, and then you can't run through like that. When I went ahead to condition, I just took out all the clips, washed out my hair, and then conditioned with 2 parts like this. That product was great as well, provided a lot of moisture, as you can see. So my hair, it feels very light. It feels like it was cleaned the way it was supposed to be cleaned without stripping too many of those oils. I'm very happy with this product. Everyone's preference is different. For me, I personally don't mind using sulfates just because my hair is very thick, and if I've co-washed a couple of times, you definitely need to go in with a shampoo that's really gonna deeply clean your hair, but you do need to watch out for that stripping, and sometimes you don't know what's gonna really strip your hair and what's not. It's kind of like a trial and error process if you are using sulfates. As for the Head and Shoulders line, the Royal Oils line, I am definitely giving this a thumbs up. I don't know if you guys have used the original like Head and Shoulders, like the one just for dandruff. When I wasn't natural and didn't know anything about curly hair when I was younger, I would use that, and it was a shampoo plus conditioner. First of all, don't ever trust bottles that say it is a shampoo and conditioner in one. I would go ahead and try to detangle my hair in the shower, and I would literally be breaking my hair. I don't know what the hell was in those products. I just wanted to give you guys a quick review on the products, and if you suffer from a dry or itchy scalp as well, definitely keep this line in mind. It may be something that can help you for a future wash day. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, take the time out to go ahead and check out my other videos that I have up on my channel. Definitely check me out on Instagram. I'm also going to start doing a couple of IGTV videos, so be on the lookout for those. Leave me a comment, send me a DM, whatever it is, I'll get back to you for sure. Do not forget to click that like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you know when I'm uploading my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.